So I'm at the Vaughan Humane Society, and this is where I'm going to be donating some blankets and towels from a client. And this is also just a friendly reminder to everybody that if you have old blankets and towels, they can never get enough of this stuff. So please consider that when you're purging or you're getting rid of things. I don't know what it is, but when I'm in front of a place like this, it just feels kind of sad, you know? All those sweet little babes in there. Oh, life. Could be because I'm 3 days from my period, or I'm just a very sensitive person. But either way, TMI and too bad. And